Welcome back, diecast collectors. I've got 2 cases of Auto World Premium 2020 Release 4. So this is case A, version A, and this is version B. So this is about to start hitting stores and has been hitting some stores, some places. Hobby shops have definitely been getting these. And these have the new card backs that look like the old licensed premium. So these are all Hemmings Motor News. And so these are sealed cases. So we are going to open these up. I'm really excited to see these, and it's nice that Auto World is doing something new. Plus, there's a brand new tooling in here of the Dodge Challenger. Alright, we're going to get rid of some of this paper. And we're going to start with the first one. The first one is going to be the 1967 Chevelle Ss in Bolero Red. And all of the version A cars are going to be featured on the cover art. Right, so featured on the cover in January 2016 of Hemmings Muscle Machines. So that's pretty nice. The front license plate says, license plates say Hemmings Muscle Machines. Up here it says USA 1. But next is going to be the 1971 Ford Mustang Boss 351 in medium yellow gold. Featured on the cover of Hemmings Motor News in November 2011. This thing is also really nice. That looks really good. I'm digging these, and I'm digging the art a lot. The next one we get is going to be the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT in dark green poly, as featured on the back of this Hemmings Muscle Machines from September 2019. Definitely really cool. And there's a new variation of this casting, and I love these hubcaps. Look at the wheels, those dog dish wheels where they did them in green with just the chrome centers. That looks really good. And here we go. This is the 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye in Plum Crazy. Same cover. So you've got the purple one here. Got the green one in the back and the purple one in the front. Look at that. How cool is that? Cool. 2 more in this case. Here is the 1979 Chevy C10 Scottsdale Fleet Side in light blue from June 2018 Hemmings Motor News. And that one looks really good as well. And the last one for version A is going to be the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado in Grecian white from the cover of the Hemmings Classic Car 2006. And that also looks really good. Probably not my favorite casting, but I definitely think it's cool. Alright, so let's open the B case. Be sure to check out my other videos. I've opened a couple more Auto Worlds on video. They're in a playlist. Go and check those out. Also Hot Wheels openings. Alright. Here is the alternate color, it even says down here at the bottom, alternate color of the 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye, this time in triple nickel silver, which looks really good. Next we have, here is the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT, this time in white. That also looks good. Just chrome centers on those wheels as opposed to the dog dish. Here's a beauty. It's 1979 Chevy C10 Scottsdale Sport. And that beautiful red and black with the yellow stripes. That looks really, really good. I bet you this is going to be really, really popular. Next, we've got the 67 Chevy Chevelle Ss, this time in Capri Cream. Also looks good. Two left. 1971 Ford Mustang Boss 351 in a dark green poly. This is a really, really dark green with a slight metal flake to it. I know it probably doesn't show up on camera. Looking at the camera, it looks like it's black, but it's a very, very dark green with silver stripes and a silver hood. The thing is mean looking. And the last one out of the case is the Cadillac 1967 Cadillac Eldorado in Venetian blue. That looks really good too. In a baby blue with those white wall tires. Pretty nice. I definitely think that the star of these cases is probably this one. It's definitely the most colorful. A lot of people are liking the Challengers. I do like the Challengers too. And this Mustang's also really nice. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment which one's your favorite, and check out my playlist. And we'll talk to you next time.